Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheila, and if you are new, welcome, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. For today's video, I am going to be showing you how I did this simple gel manicure. As some of you know, I like to do my own nails at home. I have experimented with just simple gel manicures, hard gel, builder gel. I love doing press-on nails, and I have done acrylic, but that was a long time ago and I haven't done it in years. And I was thinking for a video idea of maybe trying to do that again and see if I still remember how to do them. The reason why I don't like acrylic is because it's so much harder to take off, and I like to switch up my nails. Sometimes I don't even wait for them to come off. I usually just like to have them for like a week and a half, and then I take them off and then do a different style. So I try to switch it up just because, I don't know, I find it that doing my own nails is very therapeutic, and sometimes it's just my little like me time to do my nails. So that is what I'm going to be doing today, just a simple gel manicure. So for my nails today, I am going to be using this gel nail polish from Beetles brand. I do get these on Amazon. This is a fall set, so it does have a lot of fall colors like orange, green, dark brown, which is what I use today. And I am going to be using foils. Now I do have them in just the little plastic bags. It did come like in a little box, but I kind of just, I was trying to see like every single one of them, and I ended up just putting them all in a little plastic baggie like this. I do not have anything that is like Christmas, which I kind of regret not getting ahead of time, because I would have loved to do some Christmas nails, but I just decided to do this instead. So I am going to be showing you how I did this simple little gel manicure. This is really simple to do. I am in no way, shape, or form an gel artist. I try to do simple designs that anyone can do, and so yeah, this is going to be today's video. I hope that you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you like videos like this. So let's just get started with today's video. Okay guys, so I already prepped my nails. I like this shape more of like the pointy instead of the square. This one broke, but I already kind of filed and got them ready. I'm going to be using this Beetles base gel that looks like this. I'm going to be using this brown color and this one, which is like a lighter tan. And then I'm going to try and use this strip, what is this called? This foil on some of the nails and see how that turns out. I'm gonna be using this nail primer, dehydrator, and this nail primer. This was a set, so I'm gonna do that first.